Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to GM Publishers and the book which we are doing today, English of Prep Class.
Open the page number 13. Listen and say the diagram PH in the word. PH, the sound of PH is when we put P and H together, they make new sound as in telephone, elephant, graph, photographer, photo, trophy, and dolphin. Very good students, you did all it very well. Say and match the diagram PH to the correct pictures. PH with phone. Phone has PH. Yes. So match PH with phone. Match PH with photographer. So students, पेज नंबर 13 की एक्टिविटी मुकम्मल होती है. अब हम मिलेंगे अपनी नेक्स्ट एक्टिविटी में.